Hello, welcome to Hijinx Theatre. Hello, I'm Val Hill and I'm the Admin Director of Hijinx Theatre. This is our hub where everything happens really. Hijinx was founded in 1981 and we undertake 2 small-scale tours every year which go all over Wales, right from the north right round to the west, all over the place, and also to venues in England. In the spring we do a show for adults with learning disabilities, and in the autumn a show in community venues. We do commission a huge amount of new plays from both new writers and writers that we've worked with before. Our spring show for adults with learning disabilities, we've tried more and more in recent years to work with learning disabled performers, which is something that we really strive to do all the time. But of course there's not very much professional training available for adults with learning disabilities, and that's also something we're trying to address with local colleges, trying to encourage them to offer opportunities for adults with learning disabilities to train. We also do community work. By that I mean that we have an outreach department that goes out and does projects within the learning disabled community, all sorts of various things. That includes forum theatre, which means that conferences and festivals, conferences particularly, are able to unpick really quite dry issues through very interactive and very real experiences. We also have an Odyssey group, which is an inclusive group, which meets every week and works on drama skills and performs here at the Wales Millennium Centre every Christmas. And that's very exciting. And Odyssey also collaborates regularly with Meadowbank Special School and with music students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. And they undertake their placement with Odyssey as an assessed module of part of their degree, which is also very exciting because that's something that music theatre practitioners of the future, arts workers of the future, are taking out into their future careers, the notion of actually working in an inclusive and very different way. Shall we go into the office now and meet people? Yeah. We have Emma, who is our touring officer. Emma, you
Hello.
Tell us your job.
As a touring officer, I'm responsible for our 2, sometimes 3 tours throughout the whole year, making sure the tour schedules is as logical as possible and all the administration that goes with that, and also keeping in touch with the team when they're on the road.
Mary, who is our publicity and marketing officer, a very talented graphic designer anyway. But
thank you.
Mary, talk about your job.
I do the publicity and marketing for the shows, from the design through to the getting press releases out, trying to get as much publicity as we can to sell the shows.
A lot of work with the media as well.
A lot of work with the media, yes.
Simone is our IT and our administrative officer.
I look after the website and the databases, and I also do office support, general admin, which includes booking our spaces, all our rehearsal spaces, and then booking things like accommodation for the touring team when they're on the road.
Thank you very much for coming to visit us. Goodbye from us and the team, and I hope we'll see you at some of our shows here in the Wales Millennium Centre quite soon, or somewhere else in Wales. Thank you very much. Bye now.